Good morning, class. Today we are learning about converting metric units. This is useful for building projects, following recipes, and reading maps. Here in Papua New Guinea, we use these units daily, the golden rules. Rule 1. Smaller to larger means divide. Think about combining small coins into one larger note. Rule 2. Larger to smaller means multiply. Think about exchanging one kina note for many toa coins. Key facts to remember: 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1,000 millimeters equals 1 meter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Worked examples. Example 1. Smaller to larger. Convert 300 centimeters to meters. Step 1. We are going from centimeters, which is smaller, to meters, which is larger, so we divide. Step 2. We know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Step 3. Divide 300 by 100. 300 divided by 100 equals 3. Answer: 300 centimeters equals 3 meters. Example 2. Larger to smaller. Convert 5 kilometers to meters. Step 1. We are going from kilometers, which is larger, to meters, which is smaller, so we multiply. Step 2. We know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Step 3. Multiply 5 by 1,000. 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. Answer: 5 kilometers equals 5,000 meters. Example 3. Practice. Convert 1,500 millimeters to meters. Millimeters to meters is smaller to larger, so we divide by 1,000. 1,500 divided by 1,000 equals 1.5. Answer: 1.5 meters. Practice problems. Your turn. Try these. Problem 1. Convert 2,500 meters to kilometers. Think meters to kilometers. Smaller to larger means divide. Divide by 1,000. 2,500 divided by 1,000 equals 2.5. Answer: 2.5 kilometers. Problem 2. Convert 400 centimeters to meters. Think centimeters to meters. Smaller to larger means divide. Divide by 100. 400 divided by 100 equals 4. Answer: 4 meters. Problem 3. Convert 9,000 meters to kilometers. Think meters to kilometers. Smaller to larger means divide. Divide by 1,000. 9,000 divided by 1,000 equals 9. Answer: 9 kilometers. Final review. Rule 1. Smaller to larger means divide. Rule 2. Larger to smaller means multiply. Keep practicing. Thank you for learning.